The copywriters at Cut Copy added many different types of content across their site while repeating one simple action. Looks like these guys have all the right stuff because they're writers, and building their site was easy. How'd they do that? Weebly elements are the essential building blocks of your site. Nearly all the content, aside from a few exceptions like headers, that you add to your pages will be built with elements. It's simple. You just need to find the element you want to use, then click, drag, and drop it exactly where you want it. Find, click, drag, drop. You can add as many elements to a page as you want, and the page will just get longer and longer as you add more and more elements to that page. When you drag an element to a page, this blue guideline will tell you where the element will be placed when you drop it. So you can either stack elements on top of each other, or drag an element to the left or right of another. See? Now these elements exist side by side in columns of equal width. When you place elements side by side like this, you can adjust the space between them by using the narrow bar that appears when you scroll over them. Just click that bar and drag it to the left or the right. All elements have three universal options: delete, copy, and move. Hover over an element and a blue box will appear around it. The X in the upper right allows you to delete the element. Keep in mind though, that once deleted, the element cannot be brought back. The arrow in the upper left allows you to copy the element, either to this same page or another page, or to move it to an entirely different page. And the box in the upper center, this lets you pick up and move the element wherever you'd like. And that's how you do that.